everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka Mittal and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, a lot of shopping hauls as well. Well guys, this video is a home decor video. As you guys know that Corona is going on and we all are indulging into a lot of shopping. So this is what I also did. I thought that I needed a little bit of stuff here and there, so I indulged in a little bit of shopping from a website called as Home Center. Well guys, if you guys don't know about Home Center, it is home decor, home utility, furniture, this kind of a website. I indulge in a lot of shopping from there. So actually there's a discount going on. 50% off is there at Home Center's items. So basically I also bought a few of the items on which 50% was off or lesser than 50% was also off. So this video could actually be of your help because right now also 50% is going on. So all these items are available at the Home Center website. So if you like anything, I will be posting all the links down in my video, so you can just check it out. So guys, the first item that I want to show you guys is this set of 5 cushion covers. Well guys, I got this from Home Center. It's basically a 5-piece set. So it's in cotton material and I got it for around 500 rupees. You can just check it out right from here. I love the print. There were different kinds of color in this. Like there's a black, then there is a gray color also. I'll just show it. See, it's like this. Just have a look. The quality of this is very nice, and it has actually come in a coordination of color set. So if you probably somebody who's got cushions on your sofa or your couch, so you can basically put this on and you don't have to care about the color coordination. It is just going to be apt. So yes, this is one of the colors. Another color that I've got in this is this white one. Just have a look. It's an abstract kind of a print. It's beautiful. It's very nice. The material of the set is very good. Again, I think yeah, this is also same. I did not open it and actually see it, so I couldn't make out that these are all coordinatedly. Next up on my list is these. Basically these are fragrance sachets that I bought from Home Center. Well guys, the best thing about this is you can actually put it in your cupboard, or you can just put it in your vanity. You can even put it in a wardrobe which you use lesser. So these are really pretty and the fragrance is very good. They are quite reasonable as well, and they come in a package like this. You can even hang it. You can even hang it anywhere. It comes with this kind of a ribbon, so you can even hang it in your room or something like that. It gives a fabulous fragrance. This actually costed me around 149 rupees, and guys, I highly recommend this one. You should actually go and purchase this one because it's amazing. Next item is this one. You guys can just have a look. Well, this is a coaster set. It's 4 pieces that have come in this. You can just check it out, and it is really nice. I love the style of it. It's quite nice, and the color combination, the color that I have received it in is very nice. The goldenish color. It can go on any kind of decor. So that is the reason I bought this one. I think this one had costed me around 489 something. That is after discount. The original price was around 699 rupees. Well guys, next item on my list is in coordination with my coaster set, is this beautiful tray that I have bought from Home Center. Just have a look at it. It is so grand. You can just have a look that this portion is actually real MDF wood or something that has come, and it is so sturdy. It's so sturdy and it's so nice. For the price that I have actually bought this one in, as soon as I just opened this packet, I was thrilled to see this because I was so happy. It's so beautiful. You can just even put it at the side of your table, and you can put some placements on it, and it would really look nice. So I was in love with this one, and this actually costed me around 1299 rupees. And that is after discount. The actual price was 1789 rupees, I guess. Yeah. So after discount, I got it for around 1299 rupees, and I love the tray. It's very expensive looking, and I was like, yes, I have to get this one. Coming up next is one of my favorite item from the entire haul that I'm sharing with you guys. Well, guys, it's this beautiful, cute looking Ketli. Just have a look at it. How cute it is. It comes with a little handle like this, and it's really very pretty, very cute. And I actually bought this one with some coolers which I purchased separately for this set, and I was in love with it. It is so cute. Just have a look at it. It's so cute. You can probably have a cute tea party with your friends with this kind of a teapot, or just indulge and sit with yourself with this teapot and a cup of tea. Well, guys, this has actually costed me around 699 rupees. That I think there was a bit of discount also in it. I'll just mention that in the description box. With this, I also bought these two cute looking plates in coordination with my in coordination with that teapot. So these are the two cute plates that you can serve some snack on. This actually each costed me around 99 rupees, and yeah, I kind of coordinated it with that one. Another thing with this Ketli I got is this cooler set. Just have a look, guys. This is a set of 3, and I actually purchased one more of such a packet to make it a set of 6, and this individually costed me around 299 rupees, because I just wanted to entire thing to coordinate well. If few of my friends are coming over for tea or coffee, so I just wanted that it should not be just 3, it should be more than 3, because I always have more people coming in my home, so I wanted this kind of a thing. So guys, that was all for the haul. There is one more item left. I cannot just wait without I just cannot do without showing you. Are these cute flowers? Just have a look at these. These two costed me 99 rupees each, and I was in love with them. They are so pretty. You can just place them in your house, with a little vase on the corner of your table, or on a table where you place your lamp, or on the center table, or anything like that. Or you can just buy it just because you love flowers. Well, guys, that was all for the haul. I hope you liked it, and I hope it was of some little help for you if you're looking or redecorating or wanting to buy some kind of home items. 50% off is going on right now in Home Center, so you guys can go and check up all these items. They are still there, and I think the discount is still going on, and if not, you can just add these items in your cart and wait if there is some discount coming up on Home Center. Well, guys, this was all for today's haul video. If you're somebody who likes fashion, beauty, lifestyle, home decor, or any such kind of such kind of topics interest you, well, you should subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be posting a lot of such videos.